This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your PC can run built-in live caption and sign into Windows. Once done, open Start, type Settings, and press Enter to load the Settings app. Make sure you're in the main account you use daily because accessibility settings apply per user. Now select System to reveal display, sound, and caption options. This first step gets you straight into the right control panel so you can enable captions without detours. With settings open, go to Accessibility or Ease of Access and scroll to Hearing where Live Caption lives. Toggle Live Caption on, you'll see a caption window appear and captions start for system audio. Make sure to customize text size and language so captions are readable and accurate for your content. If you experience lag, adjust the voice delay setting. This balances accuracy against speed. Once configured, captions will display across apps for media and finish by positioning the caption window where it won't block controls, and lock it if you prefer consistency. If captions don't show, restart the audio app first, then sign out and back in. That often resolves permission hiccups. Make sure the correct audio output is selected and update your audio drivers if speech detection fails. If problems persist, toggle live caption off and on again. This reset frequently clears transient issues so captions run smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.